If anyone fulfills his brother's needs, Allah will fulfill his needs. If one relieves a Muslim of his troubles, Allah will relieve his troubles on the day of resurrection. Prophet Muhammad Pbuh, Sahih Bukhari.
The Prophet, SAW, said, "There are two blessings which many people lose, they are, health and free time for doing good." Sahih Bukhari. Do good deeds properly, sincerely and moderately, and know that your deeds will not make you enter paradise, and that the most beloved deed to Allah is the most regular and constant even if it were little. Sahih Bukhari. The best among you are those who have the best manners and best character. Sahih Bukhari 6029. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, Allah said, "Spend in charity, O son of Adam, and I will spend on you." Religion is very easy, and whoever overburdens himself in his religion will not be able to continue in that way. Sahih Bukhari. The Prophet, SAW, said, "It is also charity to utter a good word." Sahih Bukhari.